In this portion of the assignment, we're going to be finding what is called earnings before interest and taxes, which is just basically a way of saying total income minus total expenses, or revenue minus expenses. So if we look at this set of, we're given a monthly sales and revenue and monthly expenses. So we're going to have to convert those to equity annual. So we're going to need to multiply by 12. So we're going to take those terms, multiply by 12, and then just go revenue minus expenses, and that gets our EBT. Um, so that should be fairly easy to do. Again, um, you'll have to read through the problems to see what the revenue is, um, and what the expenses are as you go by. Now they're going to add a multiplier to this, so you're going to have to do some work off paper. You're going to have to again find the EBT just like you were doing, and then just multiply it by the multiplier to get an evaluation for a business. So again, this time they gave you the annual expenses and annual revenue, so you can just subtract that to get to EBT, and then multiply by the multiplier to get your answer. As you do all of these, it's helpful to show your work. I know it's hard to type in your work, so if you can show at least what your setup was, how you got the EBT, such as you can type in 4.5 or 4,500,000 minus 1,400,000 equals whatever to get your EBT, and then I know that you're multiplying by the multiplier to get the valuation, so you can come up with that.